Chace,
Yes.
the new President and CEO of ITS America.
Yes.
Great to see you here at the ITS World Congress in Hamburg.
Yes, thank you. I know it's hard to believe we're here in person.
It's great, isn't it? How's it been? How's it been for you this week?
Well, it's actually been really good. I will say, it's most everybody's first conference back from COVID, and it's been great. It's been really nice to be in person, see colleagues we haven't seen in a while, and be able to network. And I think people are seeing that, you're able to do these types of events safely. We are wearing masks except for during the interview.
Yeah.
And so it's been really nice to reconnect and reconnect with partners and colleagues and share information ideas in person.
Absolutely. It's something that you cannot get online, although we love the virtual conferences in a way, but It's great to be back together. And what are some of the main sort of takeaways for you on the sort of like technology and development and system side solutions we've seen this week? What's really impressed you?
Well, I think there's been a lot of conversation globally about electrification, climate change, and this push overall to sustainable transportation. Of course, we're having that conversation in the U.S., Europe and Asia. Everyone's having the same conversation. And here, they've talked a lot about making sure that we're really integrating this among modes and getting out of our silos. So people are not just trying to, electrify in transit or electrify vehicles, that we're actually really talking about the whole system and how we can do that as a system, because otherwise we're not going to meet our goals. And as everyone has talked about here, it's really critical when you talk about climate change to reduce transportation emissions.
Absolutely, one of the most vital things that we're working towards here.
Yeah.
But we're also looking ahead, and we're looking ahead to, first of all, the ITS America annual meeting is going to be one of the next big events in the calendar coming up in December.
Yeah, we're really excited to host everyone in December in Charlotte, and we are going to have a vaccination-only policy for attendees. But we're excited. Our theme is reimagining transportation. So coming out of this COVID pandemic and looking at how traffic patterns have changed, commuting patterns have changed, consumers use transportation differently, and so how can we make sure that our systems are designed to really meet the needs of everybody, and then folding into, again, things like electrification and how we use technology, how do we operate the system more efficiently, and then most importantly, how can we save lives? How can we use technology to save lives on our roadways? So we will be talking about all of that in Charlotte, and we have two keynotes. The first keynote is on safety and equity, and the second keynote is on a move to sustainable transportation, and then we will have a US DOT plenary session as well. So we're very excited, really looking forward to seeing the community in Charlotte together.
Brilliant. I can't wait. And you're going to have a very, very busy 12 months ahead, because not only have you got that, there's also the World Congress is going to be in LA. I don't think we've been to, personally, I've not been to an event in the USA for a while, and then all of a sudden, two come along at once.
Yeah, you're right. We hosted the last World Congress in Montreal, but it's actually been since 2014 where we've been in the States. So we're thrilled to be coming to LA next year in September and host the global community. And LA has a lot to offer. They have been known for so many years for cars and traffic, but I urge you to take a closer look at LA. They have done incredible investments in transit, in active mobility. They have the largest electric car share in the world, the largest scooter and bike share in the world. They have launched their very first zero-emission delivery zone, first in the country, and they are doubling down on innovation. They have opened some of their city streets to mobility innovators to test solutions. It's called the Transportation Technology Innovation Zone, and so I think we'll see a lot of interesting innovation when everyone comes to LA next year.